Login failed on Morningstar Fix. You open the Morningstar app expecting to see your investment research and portfolio analysis, but instead, login failed flashes across your screen. Annoying, right? But the surprising truth is, this issue is often caused by simple, fixable errors. Let's go step by step. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable signal can stop Morningstar from connecting to its servers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if needed. Next, confirm that your app is updated. Morningstar frequently releases security patches and bug fixes. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Morningstar, and install the latest version. If you're using autofill to log in, try typing your username and password manually. Saved passwords often have formatting errors that can cause login failure. If that doesn't help, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Morningstar Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears old data and refreshes your connection to Morningstar servers. Also, check your account status. If you recently changed your password on the Morningstar website, make sure you're using the updated credentials in the app. Using old details is one of the most common causes of failed logins. Till stuck? It could be a temporary server outage. Wait a few minutes, then try again. You can also try logging in via the Morningstar website to confirm your credentials are correct. Finally, if nothing works, reset your password. Tap Forgot Password, follow the instructions, and you regain access quickly. So next time you see login failed on Morningstar, don't stress. With a quick connection check, an update, or a simple password reset, you'll be back analyzing funds, stocks, and investment ratings in no time.